Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Lemfo LF25. As you can see, the box is very simple. We have the Lemfo logo, and the side we have the LF25 and the color, which is black. In the back we don't have anything except the tag from the store. As you can see, immediately when you open up, it reveals the LF25 with this green color, shiny color going, and black bands. Let's put that aside real quick and let's see underneath what we have. As you can see, we have the charger, which is wrapped up and very thin cable, which is perfect for charging this device. Next we have a screen protector. You can see it comes in the box so you can't scratch the screen of the LF25. At the bottom we have the user manual in two languages, English and Chinese like usual, and this user manual, it helps sometimes. You can see the LF25 has rubber bands, not so soft, but they are elastic. We have the green metallic going around the watch, and we have the numbers as well to see, and you can see the watch as well. Underneath or behind we have the scanner or the heart rate scanner, we have the SIM card port, and we have the charging point. The LF25 has an Android 7.1 in the software. We have 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM, dual 4G, we have the screen 1.3 inch. We have Wi-Fi, GPS, weather, SIM card, waterproof, etc. In the software we know that supports up to 4G, LTE, and the nano SIM card, which is a very useful thing. We have Bluetooth, GPS navigation, and Wi-Fi support. 580 mAh high capacity battery, and in the software we have heart rate monitoring, pedometer, multi-sport mode, etc, which we'll see all in this video. Let's go ahead and power it on, see what we got. As you can see, now the LF25 is powered up. We have this beautiful wallpaper or face, how we want to call it. As you can see, when you hold it you can change it, and we have multiple faces that we can change immediately. Also, you can download more or upload a photo that you like to keep in your wallpaper. You can see right here the plus sign is where you can add a photo. So you can see this is the simplest wallpaper that we have. In the left we have notifications, down we have the average sports for the week, we have steps, kilometer, and burned calories. Up we have a taskbar starting from time, day, date, percentage of battery, Bluetooth, logo, and SIM card as well, to tell you if the Bluetooth is on or the SIM card is in the watch. In the right we have more shortcuts starting from brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and we have cleaner, music control, and weather in the end of the page. In the right we have the menu starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, translate, calendar, clock, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitoring, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, Map Assistant, YouTube, App Store, and Instagram, which we downloaded. You can see some of the apps are the apps that we downloaded in the App Store, and we will try them as well. Now let's go ahead and see how these options will work. Let's test the heart rate, sport, and other apps as well. You can see in the menu Let's search for the heart rate first. Let's see, here we have the heart rate, and let's wait until we have some results. Let's see how it will show the results. It will take a couple of seconds, so we have to wait. It depends from the watch. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it doesn't take too long. You can see we have some information right here. Also, we have the data that is saved from different times that we tried heart rate. We have here sports. As you can see, we have indoor run, outdoor run, walking, running, play basketball, skip, rope skipping, badminton, and so on and so on. Let's try the outdoor run. Is the first one. As you can see on the top, we have the time, we have the seconds going, kilometer, blood pressure measurements, burning calories, kilometer per hour, and we have the minutes in the bottom. You can save or delete the information. I'm going to delete them because it's not important. As you can see, we have the YouTube. As I said, we downloaded this in the Play Store, and as you can see, it opens up in the square shape, so it doesn't take off any pieces of the page. As well as the Instagram, you can see how it opens. We have our page here. Go ahead and follow if you haven't followed yet. So you can see this is the Lemfo LF25 which we reviewed today. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next in the other smartwatch video, which we will do in the next video.